Hey everybody, Troy from Troy's Hobby back again for another review. It's been about 2 weeks since I did a review. I've been out of it for a while. I had a little issue with some kind of bump on my right here. And about a week ago I just had it removed. It's still healing. I've had issues with cancer before, B-cell lymphoma. And I've had stuff removed and it was cancerous. Luckily, like I said, about a week ago I had it removed. Actually 2 weeks. It's been about 2 weeks I had it removed. A week ago I received the results. They removed the stitches and the results came back as negative. That's negative for cancer, so I'm very stoked about that. So here I am. It's still healing. I hope you guys doesn't make me look any prettier, but that's why I'm worried about shaving. I want to shave, shave all the way down, but I'm worried about hitting that spot with a razor blade. But anyways, today's video is on the Moman Quick Detach. See there? Quick Detach ball mount. Now before you watch this entire video, make sure you check out the previous video. This is the base for this. So you can't buy it. I was hoping that you could buy them together and maybe get a discount, but on Amazon, but they won't let you. And so it's basically a price for each one. This is about $32.99 and this is $36. Almost all metal, highly built. That's why I bought this first, because I wasn't sure about the quality. And so if you check out my previous video, you'll find out I really like this. It's all metal, CNC machined. Anyways, check down below. I'll have the link for this video. So anyways, I bought this first, love it. And so about a week or 2 weeks later, I went ahead and bought this. And it comes with the quick detach. I already have the quick detach. You can see there, here it is. It's already attached to this is a Nikon D5500. So this will stay on there. So this is $36, Amazon Prime shipping, of course, free shipping or 2-day shipping. But let me see if you can get up close here. Has numbers from 0 to 180 because it swivels. So if I point that towards you, I can actually, if I loosen this, I can spin it all the way around if it's on the tripod. It'll be easier once I put this on a tripod. But I'm holding on to the base and it swivels around. That's what this knob is for, and then you just tighten it down and it won't turn. Now this part is for the ball mount. You can see where the ball there's only one opening here, none on this side, so you'd have to position it this way if you wanted to bring it up. So if you loosen this, see, now you can adjust the angle of the top ball. And of course the quick detach slides in here, and this is to tighten it down, loosen it. This is all CNC machined. So let me go ahead and tighten it down. And then on the side here has a little bubble indicator, and also on this side, so you can make sure everything's level. Now when you buy the Moman Tripod, here it is, it comes with 2 different adapters. I think most cameras or smartphones, whatever, take the small one. But when you buy this, it comes with the larger adapter. You'll need it for that adapter for that ball mount base. So just go ahead and screw that on. See there? Now remember this tripod, it's flat. It doesn't adjust or nothing. I bought this for my gimbal. I ordered one of those free-fly Movies, so that's what I'm going to use this for. But I also have a Nikon D55, so I want to get those angle shots. This, basically you put the camera on here, it doesn't tilt or nothing. But I bought this just for the gimbal, but I liked it so much I went ahead and bought this. Now I bought this so I can use my DSLR. Basically you just screw it on. There it is. Once again, loosen this knob here, and you can pan around or turn, swivel to get your shots. See if you can see the arrow there. And then if you tighten it down, of course it won't move. Oops, wrong way. There you go. It won't move. The large knob here, that's for this part. So I love it. Man, this thing is almost all, well, I don't see no plastic on it besides the rubber for the tripod, for the feet. Everything else is CNC aluminum. I highly recommend this setup. So you got $32 and $36. You can add that up. Yes, it's a little more heavier than plastic. You know, you can probably buy a plastic setup, but I don't know. I'd rather have the extra weight, especially if you have something that might be lighter on top, so you don't have to worry about it maybe tilting over. And so I don't mind carrying around the extra weight. I'll go ahead and post down in the description the total weight of both setups. All right, before we go here, hopefully I don't drop my camera. All you have to do is loosen the knob here, and then you can see the side there. It has grooves, a groove on each side of the quick detach. It just slides on there. Try and get it centered, and go ahead and tighten it down. It's all metal, folks. This is all metal. And then the bolts and screws and Allen heads, they all look like to be, oops, that went too far. All stainless steel. So I'm trying to get this centered. There you go. So there's my little setup, mini tripod setup. Remember, this tripod holds 176 pounds. That's what they claim. All metal, CNC machined. Comes with straps, so if you want to strap this to a tree limb or something, comes with 3 straps for each little leg. And you can see the little grooves there. That's where the straps go through. So if I had this on a limb or on a pole or something, I can tilt it, strap this part down to the pole, and then bring this up, and there's my 90 degree. I can bring it up 90 degrees to get a, you know, a pretty level shot. So you need to position this so that this groove is on the top, so you can get your level shots like that. So there it is. Moman, love it. I highly recommend it. You guys have a good day.